Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well. So today's recipe is going to be Cajun shrimp and rice. It's another dish from back home that, just hits all the flavor notes. So this is what we are making today, and it smells wonderful. So I want to thank all my viewers who helped to support my channel, as it allows me to do what I like to do, is cook and share my recipes with family, friends, and everybody. For my new viewers who are joining in today, I want to remind you to hit that like, share, and subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any upcoming recipes. So with that out of the way, let's make Cajun shrimp and rice. For our Cajun shrimp and rice, you're going to need rice, chicken broth, shrimp, butter, minced garlic, and Cajun seasoning. So the first thing we need to do for our shrimp and rice, we need to place our shrimp into a large bowl, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our Cajun seasoning. And we're going to give that a good toss, make sure our shrimp get fully coated in all the seasoning. All right, so we have our butter heated up over a medium-high heat in a skillet. So to this, we're going to add in our garlic. And we're going to let this go for about 30 seconds or so, just till the garlic becomes fragrant. And now we're going to add in our Cajun seasoning. Give that a quick stir. And now we're going to add in our rice. And our chicken broth. Whoops. Pan's moving on me. Give this a quick mix. And what we're going to do is we're going to let this come up to a boil. And then we're going to reduce to a simmer, and we're going to cover it and cook for 15 minutes. So this has been going for 15 minutes. Now we're going to stir in our shrimp. Make sure we spread them out some. And now we're going to cover this and let this go for about another 5 minutes till the shrimp are pink and opaque. So this has been going for about 10 minutes and our shrimp are perfectly cooked. So we're going to give this a quick toss. Serve some up. Just a little bit more. And there we go. Now let's give this a taste test. So now that everything's ready to go, we're going to give our Cajun shrimp and rice a try. So we're going to try our rice by itself. Perfect. Ooh, nice kick. So, won't be needing this today. Now we're going to give our shrimp a try by itself. With a little rice, of course. Who doesn't like rice? Yep. Shrimp have got that kick too. Perfectly cooked. So I really do hope y'all give this recipe a try. If you do, leave me a message in the comments below the video. And then once again, I want to thank all my subscribers who helped to support my channel. I'm just all tongue-tied today, don't know what's up with that. For my new viewers, I say welcome. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming recipes. So I'm going to let everybody go, and I'm going to finish my Cajun shrimp and rice.